Greetings from mycloud Hospitality. mycloud Hospitality is a cloud-based hospitality suite. To create a trial and to log into your account, go to mycloudhospitality.com. You can create a 30-day free trial on our website to test the system and map it to your property requirements. mycloud is a complete package of a property management system, point of sale system, internet reservation system, channel manager, and accounts receivable. To create a trial, click on try now, and with the details sent to your email, you can log in to your mycloud trial or mycloud account from our website. Just fill in the details which you received on your email. And when you click on login, you will be taken to the screen where all the mycloud products are listed. Let's go to mycloud PMS. This is the parameter screen of mycloud PMS where you configure your property on mycloud. Here all the masters are listed: debtor account, general ledger, reservations, channel manager setup, advanced control setup. Let's go to front desk. This is the front desk screen of mycloud. It's very user friendly. You see, you can change the type of view and you can change the date from where you want to start the reservation chat, and here it shows the different color ledgers to differentiate the reservation. The reservation chat shows all the room types, room numbers, and housekeeping status of the room, whether they are dirty, clean, or out of order. And it shows the dates. Currently it's on a 1 month view. Let's make a reservation. It's very easy to make a reservation. You just click on the check-in date and drag the cursor till the checkout date, and as soon as you release the cursor, a quick reservation form pops up where you fill in all the details of the guest. By default, all these details appear up here. You can change the details, like guest class. You want to change the guest class to VIP. You want to change the business source. All these details can be configured in the parameter setup, which I showed to you earlier. And depending on the status of reservation, you can hold waitlist to confirm the reservation. When you click on hold, it will ask you to enter the release date. If you want to open the reservation details screen, you need to check on this checkbox and click on confirm. On confirm, it will open up this reservation details screen where you have all the details of the guest, and you can add or edit the details, like any membership or loyalty program which you want to give to the customer, or the title, arriving by or departing by car, bus, flight. You can enter the number of packs, the contact details can be entered here, phone number, email ID. If any deposits have been taken, it shows up in this field. And any other additional services which the guest wants to take, like sightseeing, airport pickup or drop, other services like chocolate platter in the room or fruit basket, all this can be configured in the parameter setup as per the properties requirement, and the billing details can be entered here. You have all the details here. You can enter the domicile. When the save button is clicked, the reservation is confirmed, and here all the additional details of the guest can be entered, like personal information can be entered, his address, city, country, state, and professional details. All the details which you enter here will be stored in the system and can be retrieved when the guest returns. So you can take in the travel document. If the guest is the returning guest, if you have all this information handy, it gives a good impression on the guest and you can greet the guest better. Let's go to another field. You can enter the accompanying guest details here and upload their photo with their identity proof. Rate details. You can see all the rate details in this section, and if any additional bills need to be punched in, you can use this screen to punch in the additional field like laundry bill or fax. Billing instructions can be entered. To whom do you want to bill? To a company or someone else? And all the folios are maintained here. Tasks. The front desk can assign the task, punch in the task and assign the task to the housekeeping or the related department. Guest report details are present in this section. And to enter in Folio account, you need to enter the password. You enter the billing instruction and you post charges from this screen. The amount posted, the advance taken or any other amount taken appears here. All the folios are listed here and you can maximize the folios and see their details. Proforma invoice, you see all the details in this section. Documents, here you can print, email or save the confirmation or amendment. Log information, you see all the complete log of the system from this particular section. So when you click on save, the reservation is confirmed and it appears on your screen. Well, now we have made a reservation. Let's move on to another thing. Let's see express services. In express services, here you can search for the guest, check in, you can perform check-ins, check-outs, or issue key cards. So here you see all the guests are listed and you can select the filters and search for the guest. You can check in the guest directly from here and check out the guest in a similar fashion. Here I am searching for the guest name Ali, and cashiering is Folio account which I just showed to you. And non-room accounts are the one where the guest walks into the hotel. He is not staying in the hotel but he uses any of the hotel facilities like fax, phone. So you can take the details of the guest and bill the guest, and the folio can be generated, printed and given to that particular person. And now here is the task management. If you log in the task, the front desk person can log in the task, or the housekeeping can log in the task and assign the task to any particular department like housekeeping, engineering, laundry, and write the description. Let's make a group reservation. It's similar to making a single reservation. You click on the check-in date, drag till the checkout date, and this quick reservation form comes up, and you enter the number of rooms here, and when you click on confirm, it will ask you, it will show you a message saying that you are trying to make a group booking. Everything remains the same except a group icon which you just saw. When you click on that, here you can enter all the group member details, the name, and you can change the leader if you want, the group leader, or you can add more rooms to this group. Particular charges can be posted to particular group members. Here I want to post bar beverages charges to Alex. So I select bar beverages, select Alex, and post charges. So these charges will be posted to Alex, and a separate folio will be generated. Let's move on to housekeeping. This is the housekeeping screen of mycloud. Here all the rooms, room types, and arrival departure details, guest class, all the details are listed here, and the selling status of the room, whether it's available, vacant, and the housekeeping status like dirty, clean are listed here. Accordingly, the housekeeping status can also be changed. Like here I want to change these 3 rooms, mark these 3 rooms are clean. I select these and click on save. These 3 rooms are marked as clean here. I can also mark rooms as temporarily out of order. So when I try to make that, it will ask me and date, till which date do you want to mark it as temporarily out of order. Similar way, we can also mark the room as permanent out of order. So you can filter and see the housekeeping status, and in quick search you have various different things like expected arrival or departure, stay through rooms, and how it also shows the house position. Let's go to report. There are different types of reports. By applying your filters, you can generate reports as per your requirements. It also shows availability management, and under managerial functions, once you select booking source, you can add a new booking source or see the details of the existing booking source, like a travel agent or a company. When you go to management statistics, you see the complete statistics of a particular day. It shows the occupancy, average, and the settlements in the given day, and it also shows you the occupancy month to date, year to date, and the number of packs stayed in your hotel. System configuration, parameter setup, and report setup. Parameter setup which I showed you earlier, and in debtor account you can add or see the details of the debtors. Night audit, you can perform the night audit accordingly. So on a one go you can see the availability details, and also can see the rates, check rates. Let's say you have call and you can quickly check the rates and tell it to the customer, and you can change the product. Let's go to MyCloud POS. Here you can configure, under MyCloud POS you can configure either your restaurant, gift shop, laundry. Here you see I configure an outlet. I select an outlet, select menu and add the items. I select open a new check, write in the table number, server name and comments for the KOT. In MyCloud POS you can configure any number of point of sale. If I want to void item, if the guest requested for a void item, I select void item. I select the reason for void and click on void, and it shows in the bill. So settlement can be done accordingly, cash or credit. The bill can also be transferred to a particular room. Let's say the guest has come from room number 203 and he wants his bill to be transferred to his room. It can be done from MyCloud POS. This was about MyCloud. Thanks for watching the MyCloud overview. For any information or for a personalized demonstration, you can contact us on these details. Thanks a lot.